Dear students, in this video you will learn how to install Telegram app and how to join in Telegram group. Firstly, open your Play Store in your mobile and type Telegram as shown in video. Once you type Telegram, you will see the Telegram app in it. Just click on install. And then click on open. Once you click on open, it will redirect to Telegram. Click on start messaging. Now enter your country code and then your mobile number. Now you will receive OTP to the mobile number that which you have entered. As shown in the video, please enter the OTP. After that, give your name, first name and then last name. Now you have created the Telegram app successfully. Now you have to click on the Telegram group link that which you have received in your WhatsApp. Now go to your WhatsApp as shown in the video. I'm going to my WhatsApp. I'm just opening it. In Telegram groups there are 3 regional groups: Uttaramandhra, Coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema. But the meanwhile, boys and girls there will be separate groups. You have to join in your respective group. Just click on the link. You will see the Telegram app icon over there. Click on join group. Now you are successfully joined in the Telegram group. This similar process for girls group also. Just clicking on the link, you will join in your respective group. Most of you don't know which district comes in your region. So please see this. I hope you have